My name is Andrew Buchanan. I'm an interior designer. I run a small practice called Andrew Buchanan Design. We work with high net worth individuals, property developers, project managers and family offices. I think what sets us apart and what we specialise in is fusing and merging functionality, ergonomics, space planning and practicality into the big picture for the end user. And what the client gets is a space that not only looks great but works with their lifestyle. I was really honoured to be asked to be the design guardian for the whole look and style that was in the showroom. One of the key things we thought about when designing this space was that it had to work very hard. It could potentially have 2 or 3 clients here at the same time and they needed to feel as though they were the only client that was in the showroom. Feedback that I've had on the way that the space works has been amazing. Everybody who comes here says how wonderful the showroom is. There is absolutely something for everybody here.